Alright y'all, welcome back to another video. Today we on the way to get our vibrant resonators done. You feel me? So the fan about to be louder. And yeah, right now we just got the muffler delete. So I'm about to show y'all the before and after, you feel me? And yeah, shit, I'll let y'all know when we get to the shop. Bow. Alright y'all, she's going in to the garage now. And I'll update y'all what it sounds like after. We get to ride with Jay. We get to ride in the Q60. You feel me? Say what's up to the vlog, Jay. You feel me? Get this boy in the Q60. Oh shit. Y'all know about them Q60s, man? Pushing B, you feel me? I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I don't even know what it's about to sound like for real. Jay,
what'd you get again?
Vibrant resonators, and now putting on 3-inch tips on the back. So I don't even know what it's about to sound like. Oh, the tips you bought? Yeah.
Oh, that's fine.
It's about to be loud. They're about to be screaming, sitting pretty like some zitties, you feel me? Alright, y'all, the B-ski is done, you feel me? We got the muffler shot. My boy Dev. Hey, let's see how this bitch sound, does it? There's charger. Dang. Tips look nice. Tip, and then I think that's the resonator right there. Oh shit! Y'all, this shit sounds so crazy. Like, it doesn't sound like a trumpet though. It sounds loud as hell, but not like a trumpet. That shit sounds crazy. I would highly recommend. I'm about to roll the windows up so y'all can hear it more. This shit sounds crazy. I ain't gonna hold you. That shit sounds good. Oh, we about to hit the tunnel real quick. Oh boy, this is the sound I was going for. You feel me? Not like a trumpet, not too raspy. Not too much drone. Like, you only hear the drone when you get on the gas, obviously, but if you're just cruising, you don't really hear it at all. But yeah. Alright, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'm getting food right now. Hey, all this exhaust work made me hungry now. But yeah, like I said, what I did for my build was I did vibrant resonators, and then I did 3-inch tips. I got the 3-inch tips from Z1 Motorsports, and then the vibrant resonators I got from Amazon. But I also put the link. I'll put the link to everything in the bio. But if y'all enjoyed the vid, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, we on the road to 500. You feel me? And yeah, bow.